morning guys. Tukinjing Dar Sari akan katawa chuan yan Sunday ania Sinjar Panturin Narian chan bia chu en posai meka amai ro chu khatna tang ro tang khani pass aum boxi da tiksi ka manga jani sunga ju mang der me he chuan kan thiante chu wain कुछ बाहर का गुरुजी पानी को निकल दो ना कहाँ पे कहे तारे चंद पे रहे चौक बस है मायनम का गुरुजी तो ना सो तारे चंद पे चौक तो ना नहीं कुर्सी पर चूर बनता है का लेंकर tiene dia Gold Square ni mo. Isang compound kanting ahe then akan break do na so na cruising na soba bihar panon ni to asura ano na me boro ko asia ko me dumusok ko ro ha rest ko tangai Silchar kukra kain khoma mission compound na anong kop me aseng Assamese Train and Service ha thiam har le me he dorang cholo do ni choli khom na ring tuna hian Zingdar Sri le chan ve ve ai thwa ka thaw kan pul faya chok enga Kole atal levela train station kan panton Silchar mission compound na ko mega eti mo tlo nga ya so ta mo sa jo lo ngai ni eti mo ko mega ATM vang khop me SBI ATM kena du box ya ATM danga kan withdraw so ne paisa he kat box ya boy tak khop mai ko ya mo SBI ATM chu chop ni ne boy tak khop mai ATM ka zong zela amai ro chu SBI ATM kena ka ti wangin kamu mai sila ba he so ta Axis Bank halin withdraw mai ka pum ta ne kan phai ne char ka ne sil chara ko ma bazar be na ka me ne halum ro poisia tingkara ko Bengceng aja, bengceng. Terakhir, Axis Bank aja kau mereka bisa withdraw ketum ani. Confirm oh. Zing chok e nga chumi zo huwa rail station pang tano ne dahi pastor quarter ania duam kop me sa kap zeno pang ya VIP rumah kan kleng dia mizo in khom mo katia kabatil le le ring ata anwam phian me so lai building lo lang aso kan thlen na ya guest house ha achung zora hian VIP room number 1 ha kachang ani AC room ani a seng AC hi atholawa poi he me zan coin fen ko ni ei quarter mission no quarter ni om sana nih kami cuma yang ketengan nih nampak faktor film nih ini tepatnya kesulitan India ride from here around 1.5 kilometer, I think. So 10:45 from Sutta railway station. Our driver is very good. Sunrise from home, not you may like it. Isang compound lang kan tan mega tu na here in railway station kan pan do na kan pan mega nar sob le mi sob di pa nga kan train na chuak do na chu kan nan man ngai ni alung len ka go le bai isang compound kan du update lu le kan chua sa ngai si railway station tang in Coach Bihar kan pan do ni asura ni Zanam panga koro ka nom lai ta kani drop ani sul chare su Dar somle sanga de pani kha silchar tangin kan chuak ka hei train ACT kan chuang me ka chuan aptuk jing dar li le sanga le tibela Coach Bihar kan tek don hei anong nen tlak le mai train na chuan chu kan me ka I think this is the worst ever food I have experienced in my life. So bad, yeah. Now I'm going to take this one. Okay, my god. Okay, let's see. How is it? Hello, it's already 4:30 and to reach my destination I need around 12 railway station to reach my destination. I'm so tired now, and then right now I'm staying alone. I don't have any friend. Actually, my friend they're having some problem. Their daughter is sick, so they get down there in New Hoplang station, so I have to go alone. I think I'll reach around 5 a.m. in the morning tomorrow. Okay, and now I have to take rest for a while. Take my dinner around 6 p.m. in the night time. Okay. Now I have reached Lambing here, and then we're going to take rest for 10 minutes, I think, here. Then we're going to take tea here, Lambing railway station. Yeah, people are loitering here and there. Yeah, rushing to the seat also. Huh? Good one. We're going to take ice cream. Coffee? ठीक है. Coffee do. Coffee है ना? Here's my tea, coffee. It's quite tasty.
May I have your attention please? 1, 3, 1, 7, 6, Express via number is standing on platform number 4.
This is the one which I'm going to have for my dinner. Chicken and dal. Yeah, this is aloo fry, potato fry. Okay, this is for my dinner. It's tasty. Okay. After 10 minutes I'll take. Finally, I reached here, Guwahati, and I'm going to drink tea. After that, we're going again to Coach Bihar. So tired here, lots of people here. Guwahati ganteng mega hai, that's mega. Chuan, ikui kanina nga. Dengar lo ni, travel biar ko lang to. Aling take up my. Okay. Look up. Let's drink tea, coffee. Guwahati railway station ako tong mega turan yan ni kantinga darsom le bisom ni panga kanin bisom ni wel ang chong na chumin nuwa Coach Bihar kan lu ko ni notice pang hai naga ni ta ni ko no tuna hai beng cheng pa na here le kamal ko ni kanting mega darli le station kan lutang do hai finally I have reached a new Coach Bihar here. I'm alone, no one is here with me, so I have to wait my brother. So tired now. Okay, here's new Coach Bihar. Tanya kalau suka Raya kecian teh minau lam tu teh kalau ngak me kan ni, kecian teh, alau dua belas kop me he, Coach Bihar tu.